Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're checking out a 71 Volkswagen Beetle, which has been totally restored. And it's really beautiful. This car is gorgeous. It's done right, but they're asking in the 40s for this car, which is insane, I think. Just a beautiful restoration. It smells like new in here. Sort of like a tannish color on it. Just a beautiful car, man. They did this thing right. The engine, I'm going to try and lift the hood up here. See my buddy here. See, there we go. Look at this. Totally restored, guys. The guy at work here said he drove it, and this thing is fast. It's quick. It's been totally redone and everything. Asking 40-something thousand, which is crazy, man. I'm not paying 40 grand for no Volkswagen Beetle, that's for sure. There's one down the line here that I'll video. It's another, I think it's another 71 or 72 that is like 21,000, but it's an older restoration. I'm gonna video that one too, so watch for that. This one, I gotta admit, it's really nice. They did a really nice job restoring this bug. The tail lights are cool on it. Don't know if those are original tail lights or not, but and 55 pulling out. Yeah, but I think they're asking way too much money for this Volkswagen. Let me know what you think, guys. Leave your comments down below, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.